Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Bush, and we are going to react to the song Swallowed. Let's get started with it. First time single take, let's reaction.
Warm sun, feed me up when I'm weary, loaded up, loathing for a change, and I slip some, boil away, swallowed, followed, everybody, everything but my love, swallowed, sorrowed, I'm with everyone and get caught, I'm with everyone and get caught, I'm with everyone and just wanted to be myself. Hey, you said you would love to try some. Hey, you said you would love to die some. In the middle of the world on a fish hook, you're the wave, you're the wave, you're the wave. Swallowed, borrowed, everybody, everything but my love. Swallowed, hollowed, shuffled by everyone but yourself. Swallowed, I
Swallowed. He was really in pain. It sounded like he was in pain. He was sorrowed, and I hate music like this. I definitely hate the vocals like that. And if I have to listen to anything in this category, I think I would go for Green Day any day. Then listen to this band. Nothing there in this song that clicked with me. Nothing there that I like personally. So I'm being honest about it. And it seems like he's also talking about some kind of addiction or something like that, where he's with everyone but yet not involved with anything that is happening. He's always swallowed and sorrowed or something like that. He's swallowed in the hole of addiction or substance and missing out on almost everything that is amazing.
Yeah, apart from the similarity to the voice of Kurt Cobain, there was nothing in this that really impressed me at all. It was boring, it was depressing, it was negative, full of negativity, this song, full of negativity. The music like this is why more people in the West, in America, are depressed and suicidal. More people are depressed and suicidal, especially the younger crowds. It's because of music like this.
Because it's stoned all the time, I think.
Yeah, and I think, in every one of these bands, almost every single band, there's someone who's either an addict or who's passed away due to addiction.
True.
And that says a lot about them. Their culture, their upbringing, their lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
And if they couldn't manage their own life properly,
They shouldn't influence
they
others.
shouldn't be trying to influence others and
No
they're
way.
thinking and sob stories all the time. The world doesn't need more of their sob stories. We know what your problem is. Your problem is your addiction. Yeah, whether it's to
Suck it up.
alcohol, to drugs, to anything else, other vices.
Otherwise.
That's your problem.
No other problem.
You don't have any other problem. It's not a girl. It's not someone you love. The problem is
Your
you and your addiction. Your low self-esteem can be sensed in these lyrics. I feel really sad and sorry for musicians like these.
Piss on self-esteem.
Yeah,
That's what he said.
and I'm actually shocked at this song because I remember listening to a much better song of Bush called Glycerine. So I'm not sure whether it's the same band
Same
because
Bush.
this sounds pathetic.
It sounded like a wannabe singing.
Yeah, and anyone who listens to music like this and is addicted to music like this, I can with almost 99% surety say that they are depressed. And this is a psychotherapist and counselor who teaches psychotherapy and counseling for 15 years and practiced it for more than 20 years saying this. So I care two hoots for what you think about what I'm saying. The fact is this is depressing, suicidal music. People who listen to music like this are bound to be addicted to
They are pushed into the
substances such as
darkness.
drugs and alcohol, and they're bound to live in the darkness, and they're bound to be negative in everything that they do. And I feel really sorry for wasting my time listening to this. I feel sad that we are so open-minded at times that we take up such requests, knowing by now, more or less
We
knowing
take
by
chances,
now,
yeah.
that most of it is people who are suicidal, people who are addicted to drugs. We still take up those requests. I think there needs to be a fine line where, since it's first-time reactions by us, patrons need to have some ethics. Go elsewhere otherwise, please. Take
You
your
have to
crap.
run your own check.
Take your crap elsewhere, not here. Because you've heard this. We haven't. So you know what we like and don't like. This is downright depressing. It causes suicides. Mark my words, music like this has caused suicides.
Welcome to Cafe Innova and welcome to our reaction to The Dead Milkmen. And we're going to react to the song Punk Rock Girl. First time listen to this song, it will be a single take and honest reaction. Let's listen to it.
One Saturday I took a walk to Zipperhead. I met a girl there and she almost knocked me dead. Punk rock Let's travel around the world, just you and me, punk rock girl. I tapped her on the shoulder and said, do you have a bell? She looked at me and smiled and said she did not know. Punk rock girl, give me a chance. Let's go slam dance to a dress like Minnie Pearl, just you and me, punk rock girl. We went to the Philly Pizza Company and ordered some hot tea. The waitress said, well no, we only have it iced. So we jumped up on the table and shouted anarchy. And someone played a Beach Boys song on the jukebox. It was California Dreamin', so we started screaming on such a winter's day. She took me to her parents for a Sunday meal. Her father took one look at me and he began to squeal. Punk rock girl, it makes no sense. Your dad is the vice president, rich as the Duke of Earl. Yeah, you're for me, punk rock girl. We went to a shopping mall and laughed at all the shoppers, and security guards trailed us to a record shop. We asked for Mojo Nixon, they said he don't work here. We said if you don't got Mojo Nixon, then your store could use some fixing. We got into a car, away we started rolling. I said how much you paid for this, said nothing, man, it's stolen. Punk rock girl, you look so wild. Let's have a child, we'll name her Minnie Pearl. Just you and me, eat fudge, banana, swirl. Just you and me, we'll travel around the world. Just you and me, punk rock girl.
You don't have to forcibly go against the system, go against everything just because you feel like it or you think it's a lifestyle choice. You know, it sounded good to listen to the song, but I disagree with so many of the lines in there. I can't even start talking about it because it will not be understood. People come here with a very shallow mindset, most people. They come here with a very shallow mindset.
I would say narrow.
And narrow, shallow, deep, dark mindset. They are stuck in deep, dark holes. They really can't figure out what we are talking about most of the time. They are addicted to something. A good percentage of the country that they belong to is probably depressed and suffering from some kind of mental disorder. They also have a lot of Alzheimer's and a lot of other things happening. COVID is the least of their problems.
I think it's
So, you know, when you hear songs like this, you realize where it all starts. When a young couple is going around and yelling out anarchy, anarchy, and things like that,
They're in a fantasy
just
world.
because they don't have coffee at a pizza parlor. I mean, I know it's just a song, but how many times can we excuse these guys for being young, or it's just a song?
Or they're 20.
They can rape somebody, they can rob places, they can go on a riot, and we can see that it's happening in America right now.
Yeah.
It's been happening for more than 7 months.
Yeah.
It's a different thing that the media doesn't cover it anymore. So we know what they're capable of. So when we listen to it in songs, it's not a light, fun topic anymore. Okay, you want to marry her.
Something to celebrate.
Yeah, I get it, but why so much anarchy along the way? Why so much protest along the way? Get rid of your hypocrisy. The same country, the same culture that you try to put down all the time has made you who you are today.
And still
You're
leading you.
standing. You're still standing thanks to your culture and your country. Have some shame at times like this. Don't keep putting your country and culture down. You represent it wrongly to the world.
The contradiction or the irony of it all is the moment you listen to an average American say American dream and this American and that American, but in their actions they hardly respect their country.
And if you talk about American dream, that American dream is possible in any other country in a much better way. You won't be in trouble, you won't be harassed in other parts of the world. But in America, you go after the American dream, everybody else tries to pull you down. It's live and let die over there. So rest of the world, it's actually a better American dream. I mean, it's a better dream than having an American dream. You live in another country, you'll have a better dream and you'll be able to fulfill that dream. Even if you don't get there, you'll be happier along the way. But in America, while you're chasing your dream, the few that actually get there, they're already depressed and dying. And there goes the Alzheimer's number shooting up another 10% this year. So you have all those kind of statistics coming out of there. What use is being rich? What use is so-called success if you really can't respect the culture, respect your roots, respect who you are, where you come from, and you're constantly bickering, complaining, yelling things out in music.
Protesting, fake activism is happening.
And even if it sounds like fun,
Overactivism,
it isn't for the rest of the world.
Yeah.
The rest of the world cares a damn. Really cares a damn. You know, all those manipulated views and sales won't keep me happy. Sorry. You can fool a lot of people around the world and in America, but not me.
As for the music band, I thought it was the spoof of I come from Alabama, something like that, and he tried making fun
It was
of it.
downright boring. It's nothing original in this. You hear thousands of songs like this from the same part of the world, same genre, thousands of songs, nothing original, but just crap in the lyrics. That's what it is.